Hi, I'm JoBeth, the cart lady of TQ Industries. How are you? I'm here to tell you about the Husky 100-R series. This is great for hotels or hospitals. You might ask why not use a typical wire shelf. There's several reasons to choose this cart. One, instead of using a shelf as a base, we have a solid base. It's 3 inches with an undercarriage. That supports the cart and makes it roll very, very easily. And so that's one advantage. 2, it has bumpers. 3, it has larger 8-inch or 6-inch wheels that are 2-inch tread. The larger tread helps roll the cart better, but also in the elevators there tends to be a little gap that a smaller wheel that are on typical wire carts, post type, are very small and they get stuck in that gap and you have to fight the cart. So that helps with this. Also, this cart has surround bars. If you're not using the cover, that helps keep the supplies or linen inside the cart. The cart cover is optional and it comes in a variety of colors. The Husky 100 series comes in many, many sizes and also custom. Call us for more information. We hope to help you.